In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Meralco bill using GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident paying your electric bill right from your phone, quickly and securely. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough balance in your GCash wallet to cover the amount you plan to pay. Then, open the GCash app and log in as you normally would. From the main dashboard, look for the bills icon. This is where GCash has grouped all the billers it supports, so you can settle utilities without leaving the app. Tap Bills and you'll see different categories. Choose Electric Utilities. This narrows the list to power providers so you can easily find what you need. Scroll through the options or use the search bar if it's available, then locate Meralco. Once you spot it, tap it to open the payment form. You'll now see fields where you can enter your details. Start with the amount you want to pay. Check your latest bill so you enter the correct figure. Paying the exact amount helps avoid partial posting or confusion later. Next, carefully enter your Meralco account number exactly as it appears on your bill. Double-check each digit to prevent crediting the wrong account. There's also an optional email field. If you'd like to receive a copy of the receipt in your inbox, you can enter an email address. If not, you can leave it blank and rely on the in-app receipt. Once you've filled everything out and reviewed it for accuracy, tap Next. Follow the prompts on your screen to confirm the payment. GCash will show you a summary so you can verify the amount and the account number one more time. When you're ready, proceed with the confirmation. You may be asked to authenticate for security. Simply follow what the app asks you to do. After confirmation, wait for the success screen. You should see a reference number and a confirmation message that your payment has been received. Save this information for your records. You can also check your transaction history in the app under Bills to view the receipt anytime. In most cases, payments post quickly, but if it takes a little time to reflect on your Meralco account, that's normal. Just keep your reference number handy. That's all there is to it. Open GCash, go to Bills, choose Electric Utilities, pick Meralco, enter your amount and account number, and then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching and happy bill paying.